Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on ZTE Blade V15. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Here you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.